Hey guys, so today we're going to be teaching you how to add a Visa gift card to your Temu account. So first things first, you're going to log into your Temu account. I'm currently logged into the browser, but this should work on mobile as well. So first things first, we're going to hover on our account here. There are some options here, but the one we're looking for is not actually shown. So I'm just going to click anywhere. I'll just click on my name here. So these are the options that we're looking for. We're looking for your payment methods. And from here, you can add a credit or debit card and just refer to your Visa gift card details and just fill out the form here. And another way to use your Visa gift card on Temu is through the checkout process itself. So for example, I'm going to leave that. I have some items in my cart here. I'm going to click on checkout. And under payment methods, choose cards. And you can already see that you can also fill out the details here based on your Visa gift card details. And so that's it. Pretty simple. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.